Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up a very beautiful and adorable crochet baby skirts designs ideas. Hope you like this video in different collections, so please watch this video to the end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Get ready to create a sweet and delicate garments for your little ones. In this video, we will be making a stylish and beautiful crochet baby skirts designs ideas. These are perfect for different occasions. This skirt is sure to impress. So let's get started with new and luxury style crochet baby skirts designs ideas. So first, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and texture. To shape the waist belt, we will use different techniques. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or baby skirt style. Add embellishments like bow or applique work, flowers, beads, tassels, pom-pom and different accessories you use and decor your crochet baby skirts designs ideas easily. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to make this project unique and special. From sweet and simple to intricacy elegance, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an expert crocheters, these crochet baby skirts designs ideas are perfect for babies, shower, gift or just because. We will show you how to create beautiful texture using yarn and different techniques, plus got tips on how to customize the size, color and embellishment to fit your little one's style and size. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize the size, color, beautiful crochet baby frocks design, booties design, different ideas like skirts, booties, bags, caps, hats, fingerless gloves and many more different ideas, different accessories. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to make this project unique and special. You can also add personal touch with the beautiful embellishment and beautiful colors. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection, more designs. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. Okay viewers, take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.